Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
You have successfully found the perfect addition to your garden or potted plant. This is a hand-blown glass flamingo that has the hidden talent of glowing at night because inside it has a solar-powered light. Look at how beautiful that is. Every time I see this flamingo, day or night, he makes me smile. This is from the Wonder Solar store, and the artistry on this flamingo is just gorgeous. The stake is quite long, so if you wanted to place this in your garden, it's very stable and still you'd be able to display it easily. I have it here in a potted palm in my patio area, and I just love the way it looks. It adds such a touch of color and style, and the glow at night is so beautiful. It takes on a whole new look. So if you're looking for something to add an effortless decor piece for your garden this summer, I would highly recommend getting this flamingo. Put it in a sunny spot so that it can absorb sunlight. It is a gorgeous hand-blown piece of glass with a very substantial stake. And when it glows at night, it's just an added bonus. It's going to add so much life and beauty to your patio area.
This glass flamingo is the perfect addition to my plant out here in my patio, and that is my point of view.